Hello viewers, how are you all? So welcome again to our series of बात बच्चों की सिर्फ 2 मिनट में. This is our second episode today. So I am Rajneesh Chadda from Learn India with 15 years of experience into corporate training and development. We have given training, we have taught people in school, colleges, corporates, and with this huge experience and our own learnings, we wanted to share to the student community, to the children community, कि बच्चे best से best करें and they finally become a champion in their life. So in this series today, we would cover up a very important topic which I wanted to share with you: why losing is important. In my belief, in my understanding, this is really very 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 much important. There are various things. सबसे पहले तो मैं ये आपसे जानना चाहूँगा एज अ पेरेंट, आप सभी पेरेंट्स हैं, कि हाउ मेनी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर वी गिविंग टू अ चाइल्ड टू लूज इन अ ईयर. एवरीबडी, एवरी पेरेंट इज फोकसिंग कि बच्चे के मार्क्स अच्छे आ जाए, बच्चा बेस्ट कर जाए, बच्चा नंबर 1 स्टैंड पे रहे. बट आर वी रियली वर्किंग टू गिव हिम इनफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज दैट ही लूजेस ऑल्सो पैरेलली? और लूज करने से फायदे क्या होंगे? हैव यू फोकस्ड ऑन दैट एरिया ऑल्सो? So this is what are on the topic what we are going to discuss today, and we will understand कि इससे क्या फायदे होने वाले हैं. So very big question. First of all, I'll repeat once again: how many times are we losing in a year? That is really important. So let us see first of all what losing can bring to us. If a child loses, in the second step, he will learn how to drive himself. That is very much important part of everybody's life. Driving skill will be a part which a child is going to learn in that. Second time, there will be a purpose. कैसे करना है, क्यों करना है, this all will come into the picture. So there is going to be a purpose कि मुझे क्यों करना है, कैसे होगा, all the strategy, planning, everything is going to be part of it. There will be a purpose to win this life. Then again, patience. हम बच्चों को देखते हैं, घर के आसपास छोटे बच्चे हैं, कई बार खेलते हैं, कई बार हारते हैं, कई बार जीतते हैं. नेवर कम्स इनटू देयर माइंड. दिस बिकम्स ए पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. बट वेयर एज द चाइल्ड ग्रोज अप, उसको इतना ज्यादा प्रेशर दिया जाता है कि यू हैव टू बी नंबर 1, यू हैव टू स्कोर द पोजीशन, यू हैव टू गेट एनी हाउ इनटू मेरिट लिस्ट. So he start losing the fun of the learning process, and parallelly he will be losing all the skills which I am sharing over here. Patience will be lost. Purpose again would be there, but with a half-hearted approach and all those things which really brings a negative result would go parallelly with a child. Let us come back. The skill of evaluation will also start coming. Once he start losing, he will start evaluating also. Once he's going to the next step, once he's stand again to fight back, he will start evaluating things in a better sense. So this is again a very important skill of life. Focus, कि जीतना ही है, approach में फर्क आ जाता है. So these all are the things which a child is going to learn. Again, motivation, whether it is self motivation, internal motivation, external motivation, all these factors are going to go parallelly once a child starts losing, and again he stands and then he goes for a fight. So entire thought is this, that we need to provide them the opportunities to lose also. सिर्फ जीतना ही सफिशिएंट नहीं है. और प्रोसेस ये है, और सिनेरियो ये है कि हाउ मेनी टाइम ही गोज फॉर अ कंपटीशन. साल में एक बार फाइनल एग्जामिनेशन, बहुत बहुत वो 4 एग्जाम्स हो गए, क्वार्टरली एग्जामिनेशन, half yearly examination, SA1, SA2, all these things. We are not giving enough of it to a child. बहुत हुआ तो कुछ ओलंपियाड्स में पार्टिसिपेट करा दिया. But we really have to come back and think on this कि we need to enhance the number of competitions which we are giving to a child. एटलीस्ट हफ्ते में एक कंपटीशन तो बच्चे को मिलना ही चाहिए, जिससे वो ग्रो कर सके, जिससे वो एनहांस अपनी स्किल को कर सके और नोइंगली अननोइंगली अपने आप को बेटर कर सके. सो फॉर दिस ओनली वी हैव टेकन द इनिशिएटिव. बच्चों को डिफरेंट लोकेशंस के वी मेक देम जॉइन ऑन आवर संडे ऑनलाइन क्लब, वेयर वी कंडक्ट डिफरेंट कंपटीशन विच आर गोइंग टू बी academic oriented, or maybe sports oriented, or maybe some other activities participation will be there. This all is online. So we request you, you can call us at my number, you can visit our YouTube channel, and or you can directly call me to get the better part of it, to understand it in a wider aspect. And we wish that we would have your cooperation. Thanks a lot.